We're based in Plymouth in the UK, and we've created the CPD Academy, which is a learning management system built on the Kentico platform. Today what I want to go through is tell you a little bit of history as to why we embarked on the project, go through some of the features of the CPD, and then I'd like to talk about some of the benefits that we're hoping to bring to the partner community in terms of offering this help. So, move on. The CPD's core is Kentico. It uses the collaboration tools of the CMS. It uses a configured user management system, and it uses reports from the reports and statistics. On top of that, we've built a test creator, a learning content management system, course management, a training plan and archive, and a manager panel. The training plan and the manager panel sits on the front end, and the other three are back-end CMS desk exceptions. So I thought I'd go through just a few of the functions. I've only got a quarter of my life, so I'll go through the main bits. So the training plan is where a learner will go to actually go through their course, to actually take their courses and see what they've got on their plan. In order to how you create a training plan is very simple. You can do it using CMS desk, or you can do it from the manager's panel, which is the screen I've got up here. And it's very simple to actually create. You take some learning material that you've actually brought into the CMS desk. You go into the various areas here. You can see documents, presentations, courses, and when you go into an area, you can literally drag across from the available content the things that you want to go into a particular course. So once you've actually got your course, then what the learner sees is this screen here, which is basically, it's where they come in. They can see how they're progressing with their course and things that they've got to learn. They can see the courses they've still got to take. Each element they can actually see how they're getting on with, and they can also see the archive of training that they've undertaken. So it gives a quick overview as to how they've got on, what they've got to do, and also it's the screen in which they actually go into take more of their course. The test creator is the next sort of big element to the actual system, and this is where you can go into CMS desk and you can actually write tests. So you can create the tests which are then you can put into a training course. So what we've done is we've kept with the CMS desk look and feel, and if you can see at the top, I don't know, can you guys see? Because I'm having trouble, I think, these glasses. But at the top there's training plans, courses, learning content, line management, and test creator. And so this is the test creator page, very much like a CMS desk page. You can give your test a name, you can give it a pass percentage, you can allow it to retakes or not. Then you've got all the different tests. You've got the question types. There's about 5 question types. I'll show you a selection of those in a minute. And so you can very quickly using normal CMS desk, look and feel, create your tests. So in terms of how it looks at the front end, so this is a sample page. This particular question is a matching drop-down, so where you've got a selection of drop-down boxes and you look at the question and you make that answer. Other question types, you've got this multiple response, you've got a sequence drop-down, and there's about 3 or 4 other types as well. Now, learning management systems are more than just dealing with courses and course management and tests. And we use the collaboration tools in Kentico to actually provide social learning. We do that through forums, blogs, the new messaging that's in version 7, and the wiki. What we've found in terms of the work that we've done is the collaboration tools make a big difference in terms of the way that people work together, and particularly across a wide area. So if people are working around the world, then it helps to avoid making the same mistakes in one part of the world into another. The manager panel looks just like this, and this is where managers can look at how their subordinates are getting on. They can look at each subordinate, they can see how they're progressing with their courses. They can also generate reports. And there's different reports based on pass rates, there's time-based reporting, average pass rates and percentages. So in terms of the back end, I've shown you a little bit, and if you'd like to see more of the system, then please ask me for a demo afterwards. But just to give you a little overview, and basically we've got the learning content management, the training plans and courses, the test creator, and the user management. But like I said, please ask me for a demo, and we can have a real sort of scratch under the surface. So moving on to commercial aspects, what we are looking to do is actually take this out to the partner community and, if you like, add it to your arsenal of tools. So you've got Kentico, you've got your EMS. We want you to be able to use your Kentico knowledge and foundation to actually add a learning management system to that arsenal. So with that in mind, what we're looking at doing is providing the CPD Academy license with a 20% discount. What that means in real terms, and I've got pounds, figures, not euros. The system's £18,000. That includes an ultimate license. So you've got your ultimate license that as a partner you can go and buy yourself. You can get your discount. We provide a 20% discount on our element, which is roughly speaking 15k. So you'll be looking at getting about £4,000 of discounts to offer to your clients. From the feedback we've had today, there seems to be a lot of people out there with learning management systems, but a lot of people are very unhappy with their learning management systems. And I think where we're getting good feedback is with a client that is very happy with Kentico, to actually know that they're able to have a learning management system on that platform is proving to be a good selling point. And where would I be without offering an extra discount for us connection visitors? Also there's an extra 10% for the connection. And that's it. Any questions? Alan?
Thank you very much. Just also from the UK, I was just thinking, with regards to the learning management system, it looks like quite a specialist sell. I mean, is it like maybe educational institutes that would want it?
The CPD is not really focused towards the education market, and actually the education learning market is quite mature. This is based more towards sort of internal organisational management and training.
So you're not targeting scheme providers, you're going specifically for companies?
Pretty much, yeah, going for companies but also training companies.
Yeah.
So, but not so much general education.
Yeah.
So we're not really going, if you like, we're not going for Moodle, we're going more for the specialist learning management, which is where CPD comes from, continued professional development. That's where we're fitting. And in terms of, yes, it is a specialist market, but it's not particularly, I doubt whether there's many people who haven't had some interface with a client that hasn't had some kind of either training need or has an existing sort of e-learning aspect to their business. Other questions? Okay.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Simon.